Let's take a look at how to assemble and use your iSCAN Y cable in conjunction with your NX VCI. The iSCAN Y cable connects to available component-specific cables. In our example, this cable connects to the 722.9 VGS4 conductor plate. Prepare the vehicle for programming. Be sure all power consumers are off, including the windshield wipers. Confirm you have a stable internet connection. And always use a wired connection between the VCI and the NX when programming. And always connect to a suitable vehicle power supply. Start by disconnecting the OBD2 main cable from your NX VCI. Connect the Y junction of the cable to the NX VCI. Next, connect the OBD2 16-pin adapter to the longer section of the Y cable. Connect your component cable to the shorter section of the Y cable. The component cable will connect directly to the conductor plate that is replacing the existing ECU. Next, attach a cable from the conductor plate to the battery negative. Do not install the replacement ECU until the coating process is complete. After installation, within the coating menu, you will execute the transmission adaptation, teach-in of the selection range sensor, and then you will have successfully completed the commissioning process.